Okay, students, can you see the picture? It's a picture of a tree, and on that tree there are some geese birds. Okay, so let's start the story. Dear students, today we will start chapter number 2 in your English textbook, Flying Together. It is a nice story about geese birds. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. Dear students, these are the simple instructions that you get from your parents and teachers. Sometimes you follow and sometimes you do not follow. But when you do not follow, you put yourself in the difficulties. So let's start this story and know about the geese birds. How do they come out from the difficulties and who help them to come out from the difficulties. So let's start the story, Flying Together. Okay, before we start, let's read new words. First one is geese. It means plural for goose, large wave-footed bird, like duck. Next, creeper, plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Third, winding, go in circular spiral course. Mutter, mutter means spoken in a low tone. Next, flap, flap means move wings up and down. Okay, dear students, let's read the story. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. These felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. It means there was a forest. In that forest there was a tall tree, and that tree had a leafy branches. It means full of leaves, and that branches looked like strong arms of the tree. And the tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. It means many wild geese, they were living on that tree. And they were happy. Why? Because it was a safe place for them. One of the geese was a wild old bird. Now in those geese birds, there was a one wise old bird. Third para, he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. So when he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree, he spoke all other birds about it. Do you see that creeper? He said to them, let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow as it creeps up this tree. So he told all the other birds, let us destroy that creeper. So that time all the geese, they were surprised, and they replied to wise old geese bird, we should not destroy it. It is so small and it can't do any kind of harm to us. That time the wise old geese bird, he spoke that this is a little creeper, but when it will soon grow and it will reach to the at the top of this tree, as it creeps up this tree. So that time all the geese birds, they didn't listen the talk of the wise old bird, and they left. They did not listen. Okay, it will become thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. Let's have explanation. The geese ask, this creeper can't do any kind of harm us. That wise bird, he told, don't you see? With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree, and a hunter can come up and kill us all. Next para. Well, there's no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. So all the geese birds, they reply, there is no hurry to do anything to the creeper. It is very small and it would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old wise birds advise. So the old wise bird advise that destroy the creeper, it is still young. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. It means it is so soft, so easily you can cut it. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. So he advised also, later it will become so hard and you won't be able to cut it. It's better, it's a young, so let's destroy it. Next para, we'll see, answer the birds. So all the birds, they answer, we'll see. But they did not destroy the keeper, and all the birds, they did not destroy the keeper. It means they didn't listen the advice of the wise old bird. They forgot the wise old bird's advice, and they forgot the wise old bird's advice as the creeper grew. Now let's see in the next slide what happens to the geese bird and to the creeper. Okay, students. So here, all the geese birds, they didn't listen the advice of the wise old bird. He advised, let's destroy the creeper. It is still young, so easily you can cut. It is tender, easily you can cut. But they didn't listen. They answer, we'll see. Students, as the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. It means as the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. It means it's moved around the tree and it's reached up to the tree, at the top of the tree. Stronger and stronger it became. It became stronger and stronger. It became more and more strong, until it was as strong as a thick rope. It means the creeper became as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So one day, all the geese birds, when they had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. So the hunter came near the tree. He saw the tree and he came to know also that all the wild geese birds, they live on this tree. He told himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. So the hunter thought, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. I'll trap them in my net. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. So the hunter, he climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper, because the creeper became as strong as a thick rope. He got to the top. Of the tree and he started to make plan for trapping all the wild geese birds in his net. So dear students, in this slide, what happened? All the geese birds, when they had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. He came near the tree where all the geese birds, they live on that tree. And with the help of that creeper, he climbed up the tree. And he started to make plans how to catch all the wild geese birds. And at last he climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. Why? Because that creeper became so strong, as thick as rope. So here, dear students, do you remember what advice was given by the wise old gizbird to the other gizbirds? That by the help of creeper, someone can come. Okay, he got to the top of the tree and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. The hunter, he climbed up to the tree, he spread his net and he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? So all the geese birds, they were trapped in the net of the hunter. Okay, now all the geese birds were trapped. They were shouting for helping. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. It means they were shouting. That time the wise bird, he told them, long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not listen to me. Now what has happened? Because for your forgetfulness. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill all of us. Next para, we were foolish, wept the birds. All the birds, they were crying and they told to the wise old bird, we were foolish, we didn't listen your advice that time. We are very sorry, we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. They felt sorry and they asked for the help. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. So he told, when the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. It means without breathing, just lie still, peacefully. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down. Collect the dead birds and take them. So here the wise bird, he advised all the birds that when hunter comes next morning, you must pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter did not want dead birds. Take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. So here the wise old bird advised all the geese birds, when hunter comes in the next morning, you must all pretend to be dead and just lie still. It means be silent. Don't make any kind of noise and pretend to be dead animals. Because hunter did not want dead birds. He will throw one by one on the ground. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. This advice was given by a wise old bird to all the geese birds. Next para. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. So next morning, the hunter came to the tree and he climbed up to the tree and he looked all the geese birds in the net. All the geese birds were trapped in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself. Here mutter means to speak in a low tone, to speak softly. So here he thought, he spoke himself that all the geese birds are dead. He threw them out of the net one by one. So he took all the geese birds one by one and he threw them out of the net on the ground one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. So all the birds, they lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once, all together, they got up, flapped their wings. Now your flap means move up and down. They flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. The hunter was surprised. What happened? From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. So here, dear students, same way, if we do not follow the elders' instruction or advice, sometimes we will be in the difficulties.